Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask questions or queries to the Epic Games support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in epicgames.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Epic Games website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password or by using your social accounts. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to ask any questions to the support team, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on account. Now from the account page, click on need help at the bottom left corner, which will take you into the help and support page. Now from this page, just scroll down and click on contact us. You will now be allowed to fill up your form, from which you can directly address your concern or ask questions to the support team. Just enter your username, your email address, and you can choose your platform as well if you wish. Then from the account section, choose the game within which you are facing issues and also choose your reason. Finally, you can ask your question within the describe your problem here box. And after typing it in, if you have a screenshot or any file that will help your case, you can also drag and drop or upload this. Finally, click on submit an email request, and this will now send your question to the support team right away. Once the question has been sent, just wait for a few days and you will receive your response within your email. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to ask a question to the support team on Epic Games. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.